Hello to everyone. Now I'm here in Marina. I just want to introduce being you want to be a successful in your life is very simple. First of all, you need to be active by yourself, and you don't be shy. Just yourself. And every morning you wake up very early, and then do the yoga, do 5 minute exercises or 10 minutes yoga. Guys, yoga is very nice. You wake up, even if you in the bed only, you exhale, inhale, and just you ask the universe to release all your bad condition from your body. You know, last days, guys, my feet are so painful, and then I find in the YouTube channel the instruction how to get connection from the universe, and then I will try. I try 5 minutes and 10 minutes. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. You need to be very deeply high and down. Exhale, for example, exhale, inhale. Guys, and then after that, your mindset, become very clearly. You think positive, you think positive, and just imagine the universe is very nice about your future, about whatever you want to imagination. I just tell like this. I said, the universe, spirit, let go and let God, let this thing, my feeling, the bad feeling, the disease, my painful, my feet, and take away. And then after that, I make a, I make exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, deep, deeply, and then slowly come down. And oh my God, guys! And then after that, morning I wake up. This is okay, just a practice. Just I practice myself, become expert to talk like that. And then after that, guys, I wake. Oh my God!